In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Premium for free on Adobe Scan. To get started, open the Adobe Scan app on your phone. Make sure you already have the app installed and that you're on the main screen before moving forward. If the app asks you to log in first, go ahead and sign in with your Adobe account. This is important because trial availability is usually tied to your account, and some options may not appear unless you're signed in properly. Once you're inside the app, look for your profile icon or the main menu. Depending on your device and app version, the layout may look a little different, but the goal is the same. You want to get to the account or subscription area where Adobe shows its premium options. Take a moment to scan the screen carefully if you don't see it right away. After that, tap the option that says Try Premium or Free Trial. This is the section that gives you access to Adobe Scan's premium features without paying immediately. If your account is eligible, you should see an option for a 7-day free trial. Go ahead and choose that trial if it appears. Keep in mind that availability can vary, so this option may not show up for every account. Next, you'll need to confirm the subscription through your device's payment system. On Android, this will happen through Google Play. On iPhone, it will go through the App Store. Follow the prompts on your screen to confirm the trial. Even though the trial starts for free, Adobe requires a valid payment method in order to activate it, so don't be surprised if the store asks you to verify your subscription details. As soon as the trial is activated, you should immediately get access to the premium features in Adobe Scan. That means you can begin using the upgraded tools right away without waiting. This is the easiest official way to use Premium temporarily at no cost, as long as the free trial is available on your account. One very important thing to remember is that the trial will convert into a paid subscription when the trial period ends unless you cancel it beforehand. So if your goal is to use Premium for free only during the trial window, make sure you keep track of the end date and cancel in time through Google Play or the App Store, depending on the device you used. And that's it. That's how to access Adobe Scan Premium for free using the available trial option.